안녕하세요. Did you know that Korea has not one, but 2 New Year's celebrations? Pretty cool, isn't it? There are also 2 common ways to say Happy New Year in Korean. However, you need to make sure you're using the right one. Otherwise, it can come off as sounding a bit rude. Not to worry, I'll explain when to use each one. My name is Sienna, and I will teach you how to say Happy New Year in Korean. I'll also tell you 2 important things you should know about New Year's in Korea. Let's get to it. The first way to say Happy New Year in Korean is 새해 복 많이 받으세요. 새해 복 많이 받으세요. This is the go-to version that you can use with everyone. It's polite and shows respect. If you greet your grandparents for the holiday, you can say 할머니, 할아버지, 새해 복 많이 받으세요. This means Happy New Year, Grandma and Grandpa. The second way to say Happy New Year in Korean is 새해 복 많이 받아. 새해 복 많이 받아. This is the informal version that you should only use with people you are close with or younger than you. It's informal and implies familiarity. Let's say you want to send a text message to your friend. You can write 민준아, 새해 복 많이 받아. This means Happy New Year, Minjun. It's important to use the correct version of Happy New Year in Korean. 새해 복 많이 받으세요 is the version you will use most often. It's polite and friendly. However, it may sound a bit formal to use with close friends. 새해 복 많이 받아 is the version you should use with someone you know well that is the same age or younger. It's a sign that you two are close. Don't use the informal version with people you don't know well, or it can sound rude. Now, I'll tell you 2 important things about the New Year's holiday in Korea. The first is the name, and the second is when they occur. The first is 신정. This means New Year's Day, and it occurs on January 1st. The second is 구정 or 설날. It means Lunar New Year. This holiday follows the lunar calendar and usually occurs in late January or February. If you'd like to learn more, we have a resource page for Happy New Year in Korean. I'll put a link to that in the description below. If this was helpful to you, be sure to smash the like button. It helps us know which videos you like so we can make more of them. Hit the subscribe button so you can get notified when we release new videos. Which version of Happy New Year in Korean will you use? Let us know in the comments below. 새해 복 많이 받으세요!